Don't you watch a video and you hear the people saying the video all the time? Hit the like for the algorithm. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Hey, I'm Fish. And they put a logo up. Well, we all do it. We all want to see our videos get up there in some way. Well, it would be helpful if you would hit the like button. And I appreciate it. And thank you for that support. Well, isn't that what you came here for? For the talk? Well, it's not a bike ride today. Yeah, no pedals to the metal. It's just the sneakers to the cement. And we're giving a nice walk with two cameras. Two cam that I am. You'll see on my last couple of videos, I bought a Weber EP425 and I cooked on it. Wasn't thrilled. It did a good job, but the food just didn't taste like the way it was supposed to or cooked the way it was supposed to. So I modified it right after with the briquettes modification from the old barbecue, and the new ones are coming in. Well, I'm looking at this project, they're Kickstarters, and there are a couple of them out there, friction drive e-bike conversion kits and hub kits. I know a hub is silent, hub is smoother, and hub is sleeker looking, if asked. Friction kit, if my tail of the shirt leans over the seat or a coat, or if I go into that friction, well, that is. Like if I had a tail like Mr. Squirrel there, it'd get caught in that wheel. I'm shooting with two, like I said in the video earlier on, not on this video, because I probably did a Heinz 57 ketchup move. That I did my video, oops, I made a mistake. I cut it out, did my video, oops, I made a mistake, and repeated to do that 57 times. No, that's what I do. Now, the Ace Pro 2 is on this side, over here. And the Action 5 Pro is over here. And yeah, I got a picture of a wall. And I just had to pull to the side, not because I just wanted to have a cleaner background. So now, how does my background look to you? Yeah, I'm on the Ace Pro 2, and internal sound, whatever is set up, if it's set up to stereo, voice enhancement, or wind noise reduction. And the Air mic Air, I don't love it. I don't hate it. I like it in a way. And you kind of get distortion. And you'll hear it in the videos if you pay close attention. It is what it is, man. There's nothing we could do about it. Both cameras got its doors, and I could get a lot closer and walk through the sprinkler because that's how I feel with the humidity. This is as close as I can get to a stream that the water runs off down the creek. How sweet is that? Wet table. Both cameras, the last few pictures, gives you an idea of the camera, of what it can do. Right, so if you're looking to purchase one of these cameras and you want to get something that has subject tracking, then the Action 5 Pro has it and the Ace Pro don't. But if you're looking to get where you want to pause your video and go back later and add to that video, the Ace Pro 2 has that, and the Action 5 Pro won't get it. And if you want to use a DJI mic to either one, the Mic 2 or the Mic Mini, both cameras will do just fine. But if you want to have a larger front screen, yes indeed, the Ace Pro 2 is the one to get. But if you want to be in 8K and YouTube is random about putting 8K videos on today in the summer of 2025 until they fix the worldwide issue they have that no one talks about. And yes, you have to get the Ace Pro 2 and wait upon it. But how many people have 8K phones when the phones average don't do any higher than 720p? I had enough telling you all this. You should already know it. But the thing is, we have to repeat ourselves. Like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Hit the like button for the algorithm that will help and support our channel. If not, I don't mind putting the super thanks up and saying, hey, buy me a cup of coffee. I don't say buy me a cup of coffee. I don't do that. Well, let's get on out of here. Go meet up with Joe. I turned on HDR. I'm in 4K at 30 frames per second. Standard filter. And I'm just sitting, waiting in line so I can get on going when it's my turn to get on the walking path. I was able to get on the walking trail and off I go. I've been with cameras for a long time. I'm happy with the Action 5 Pro. I'm also happy with the Ace Pro 2. I'm not going to get rid of the Action 5 Pro. It's a good camera. Does its job mighty fine. Well, now I'm with the DJI Mic 2 and the Ace Pro 2. My videos got a lot of information if you know how to look for it. Like 5 feet. And just walking right by. Man, this place is just happening. A lot of action happening. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's talk. Remember, don't forget to hit that like button to help the video. It supports my channel in the algorithm. The algorithm. Yeah, I can't say that word for beans. If I put a smile on one person's face, my job is done. One view, a million views. One like, a million likes. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. My hobby, my share, my fun, my story, my talk. I hope to see you on the next one. I'm Fish. Time to point the camera down so the sun flares don't get in my eyes. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.